Good morning, students. Our topic is algebra, expansion of powers of binomial and trinomial. Assignment 2. Today we will do some expansions. Your first expansion is a plus b of whole square plus a minus b of whole square. So first of all you have to solve a plus b of whole square, which we have already discussed yesterday. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Same plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now combine the values. A square plus a square is 2a square. B square plus b square is 2b square. And opposite sign of same value will be cancel. Means plus 2ab and minus 2ab will be cancel out. So now take common number. 2 is common. So here I have written 2. So a square plus b square in bracket. Now your next expansion is, this one is the result of your a plus b square, b of whole square plus a minus b of whole square. Now second expansion is a plus b of whole square minus a minus b of whole square. Same like this procedure. Firstly you have to solve it a plus b of whole square, then a minus b of whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here is minus will be as it is. Whenever you have to give a minus sign, then you have to solve it this statement in bracket. So always put a bracket. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. And in subtraction we all know that bracket of all signs will be changed, means minus will be changed into plus and plus will be changed into minus. So this will be as it is, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So minus a square plus minus minus b square minus minus plus. So are you seeing here all signs are changed. So combine the values, a square and this is your minus a square. So opposite sign of same value will be cancelled. So it's cancel. Next is b square and minus b square. This will also be cancelled. Next plus 2ab plus 2ab. It is 4ab. This one is the result of a plus b of whole square minus a minus b of whole square. These two results, are you seeing the difference here? In these two brackets, here is plus sign. In these two brackets, here is minus sign. Whenever you have to give a plus sign, then this result will you have to use. Whenever you have to give a minus sign, then you have to use this one result. Now see example. I am solving one example to you which becomes easy to you for understand. 3x plus 5 by of whole square plus 3x minus 5 by of whole square. Firstly solve it this one, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Same a square plus b square minus 2ab. 3 of square is 9x square, 5 of square is 25y square plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. And variables will be as it is, xy. Same 3 into square is 9 x square plus 5 square is 25 y square minus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30 and variable will be as it is x and y. Now combine the values, 9x square, 9x square, it's 18x square, 25y square, 25y square, it's 50y square. Opposite sign of same value will be cancel out. So plus 30xy minus 30xy will be cancel. Or what is the another way? Another way is you can use direct expansion result. See, I have given these two expansions. Here is plus. So which expansion we have to use? This one. And what is the result of this one? 2 into a square plus b square. So just you have to put the values. This is representing your a value and this is representing your b value. So a value is 3x square, 3x and b value is your 5y. So put the values and solve the calculations. You can find out the answer. Now this is your second example which I am showing you. X plus 1 by x of whole square minus x minus 1 by x of whole square. This expression is used. Which expression is used? This one, second. So I am using direct result of this expression. So it's your wish. So what is the expansion of this result? 4ab. 4. A value is representing x and b value is representing 1 by x. So solve it. X and over x will be cancelled out. You can find out the answer. For practice, I have given some questions to you. So please try it. Thanks and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and healthy. Do your work enjoyfully. So lockdown don't affect your studies.